that you just f***ed up. Shoot me. Shoot me. Dude, shoot me. You got me here. You got me.
He's also got to be careful because that other guy's standing over there. So, and I don't know.
Papa, we rich. Go away, Papa.
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore, but I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new body cam footage and I use my law enforcement experience to give you a real-time glimpse as to how the cop brain is working, because there's always one question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. Fatal encounter investigated in New Jersey. Never seen this. Reacting in real time to give you a glimpse as to how the cop brain is working. Here we go.
This New Jersey state trooper was called to assist on a routine call. What the trooper didn't know is that one of them would not survive the night.
What's up, partner? How you doing? Yeah. All right, listen, like I told you on the phone. Yeah, but there's more y'all can do because I talked to another officer, so you're lying to me. I'm not lying. You have no reason to lie. Yes. I cannot force her to give this stuff back. This is my property. My stuff was here. What is it, a dirt bike? Yes. All right. And is she inside? The same, yes. What's her name? Yes. I would like back up here. Back up? Yeah. Why? Because you're sitting here lying. I'm not lying to you. I'm going to go talk to her. She's inside? You are lying, officer. I'm a trooper, not an officer. Where are the dirt
Trooper. Get it right.
bikes?
So I'm gonna guess that this is like a domestic civil matter type thing. Based on what I'm seeing. It looks like he's got like court papers or something detailing what property is his, and he's here to pick it up.
Stole it. And the officers was willing to help me out. But the bike was gone. Where is it? It's right here. So from my future past, the same situation, that's why I know you're lying. Okay. You are lying. All right. Bike's right here. And I have the title right here. I'm guessing she pulled the car up like that to, yes. Let me see the title. So the title doesn't even have your name on it. Officer. What's your name? Want me to sign my name? What's your name? Daniel King. All right. So why are you doing this to me? I'm not. Yes, you are. How do I get to her? This door? Yes. Why are you acting stupid, dog? You stay back here, because I'm not going to listen to you two fight if things aren't civil here. No, I live here. So I'm more than welcome to fight you are. What's the issue with the dirt bike? Because you live here. The issue is I'm getting my stuff so I can be about my business. All right. So it won't be a problem. You just go down there and no, I don't. Because you're causing a problem. And I will sue the hell out of you. Go ahead. All right. What's your badge number? Hold on, let me record this. Is she home? What's your badge number, officer? 8847. 8847. So I'm not allowed to get my dirt bike? I'm trying to talk to her to see what's going on. You're not trying. Officer, you are not trying. All right. Where are you trying to get my property?
Sir, I'm literally knocking on the door so I can talk to your, who I believe to be ex-girlfriend, so I can figure out the situation, because you just keep talking shit, and yeah, I am trying to help you. That's why I'm here. I'm glad you did this, because I'm about to be a fucking millionaire. Okay. Okay, yes, okay. I'm about to be a millionaire. This is the last job. A millionaire. You know that? Thank you. Thank you. Racist ass cop. Yo, bro, we rich forever. You hear that? I'm rich forever. Rich. All right, sir. Bro, paid. I'm getting a lawyer and I'm paid. All right, so just... There's really nothing he can do at this point. Like, if the name is not on the title on that bike, then the guy cannot take the bike. But now the guy's saying he lives here, so I would agree with the trooper. Like, just take the bike if you live here.
Just to clarify. I am paid! Thank the Lord! Just to clarify. I'm rich. This is your This
I'm
is.
rich. Rich.
I'm trying to
rich.
talk to you.
Call backup. Can I have backup? This officer right here will not get me back up. He won't get me back up. And
Like,
he's going to
he's
jail.
asking questions
Thank
so
the
he can
Lord.
try to
Yo,
figure
yo,
out
we rich.
what the situation is.
I mean, what
And this
kind
guy
of bike
just
you-
keeps going on and on.
Go ahead.
He won't allow me to get my bike.
What's going on? He lives here?
Yeah.
All right. His here because I just knocked on the door and no one
Yeah.
answered.
Yeah.
All right. Are they here? Are they not
Forever.
dating?
Thank the
Are you
Lord.
still?
I got my blessing today. I prayed on this.
Dude, I'm trying to talk
I've been
to
working
you.
hard. I've been working fucking hard.
All right.
Yes. I've been
Listen.
working hard for this. Thank the Lord.
Here's
Wow. What you want me to kiss your boots? Can I kiss them?
Here's
Can I kiss your boots?
No.
Please? Please?
Here's where we're
Can
at.
I? It ain't where we at. It's where I'm at.
What triggered him so much?
I'm rich.
I'm so
Listen,
confused.
I tried knocking on the door.
Yeah,
She didn't
bro.
answer.
Yeah, I'm rich. Can you believe this, bro? I'm rich.
Do you have a phone number for her?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
All right.
Here, you want the phone number?
Yep.
Because I'm rich forever. Thank the Lord. Thank you. Bro, my job. I'm rich.
What is going
Rich
on?
From a racist officer. Thank you.
What's her phone number?
You don't fucking need it. I'm rich.
He's so patient because he's getting so close to the officer. Like, up in his face, it almost looks like. And the officer has remained calm this entire time. He's doing a very good job.
Bro, she rich too. I'm gonna give her some money.
All right.
Yo, come outside.
Why is he acting like this? Listen, like I told him on the phone, civil issue, right? He's telling me he lives here too, that they're... I cannot force her to give him that bike. Like,
He got the title and everything, though.
I know, but he said he lives here. The bike's here. Like, I don't...
He about to sell.
Civil issues are the hardest things to handle because cops can't do much. It's not a criminal matter, so they're going to have to take it to civil court.
I'm buying the bike.
And I knocked on the door, she didn't answer. Like, he didn't give me her phone number. when I
He's
asked
done
him.
everything he can.
Can we just take it over the car?
Well, no, because then you're going to damage your car.
Yo, dumbass officer. Guess what? I'm getting married today. I'm getting married. I'm quitting my job. You hear me? I'm quitting my fucking job.
Let me try and talk to her.
No, you dumb. Fucking dumb. What drug are you on?
All right.
What drug are you on?
What is
Huh? 'Cause
going
I'm
on?
rich forever.
Get out of my face. Dude.
No, I don't gotta get out of your face. And I don't gotta
The
let you
patience.
in the car.
Holy cow. Very good.
You go to jail.
Why are you acting like this?
Cause I'm acting like this because this is what happens when people get money and they rich forever. Yo, my last name is King.
All right.
King!
All right, dude.
King!
Listen.
You know you fucking with a God?
All right, I'm going to go talk.
No, ain't no talking. I'm rich forever.
All right, man.
Rich!
All right.
This is the law.
All right.
The law that you just fucked up.
All right.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot.
Dude, shoot me.
Yeah.
The ups and downs are so visible. We're going from I'm a millionaire to I need backup to you're not helping me to you're racist to shoot me. Shoot me. What?
Can you get your...
Bro, ain't no getting me. Shoot me. Bitch, shoot me. You a bitch ass cop.
Yo.
Yo, do
Out of
something.
my face, dude.
Bro.
The patience.
your-
Yo. Ain't no
And now he's blocking him from leaving.
He can't do shit. And I'm on camera. Get this recorded. Can you record this? Record it. Record it.
8847. Can I get another
Yeah,
Bridgeton car?
can we get another backup? Because somebody's going to jail and it ain't me, bitch. How about that one? How about that one? Let's fight. I'll take the charge because you know what? Yo,
Oh.
take the charge.
Come on, dude.
I did everything. Shoot me, bitch.
No, I'm not shooting you.
Yeah, officer.
Pull the
get my
taser.
ass.
Turn around.
Beat me.
Turn around,
Beat
dude.
me. Beat me. Beat me.
Turn
It
around.
looks like he pulled his nightstick, yeah. His baton.
Get off me, bro. Let's go.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say the cop did nothing wrong up to this point. Zero. This was escalated completely by the suspect.
He won't even
What a jackass suspect. I have no idea.
ass like you. I bet, yeah, back up, bitch. I'm rich.
I don't know why he didn't pull pepper spray or the taser.
You got me here. You got me.
He's also got to be careful because that other guy's standing over there. So, and I don't know.
Papa, Papa, we rich. Go away, Papa. We rich. We rich. We rich. Yeah, we rich.
Oh, they helped him. Nice.
Call her. Papa. Papa.
Good work with whoever's helping him.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Papa. Officer.
Oh, another trooper, but then there's also a civilian.
I got him. I got him.
No.
Good work, gentlemen. Thank you. Awesome job. Love to see it. A+.
Call EMS out here.
No.
Hector, call EMS. You okay? Alright, you can still breathe normally? Alright, not hard breathing?
I wonder if he was choking him.
It's just me and him. His friend was over there. He's probably the one that took off. Where's his friend? Where'd he go? His friend hit you? It was just him? Just him? Yeah, his friend was here. He left. Got some guys just helped him. Nah, the Mexicans helped me with him.
Look at my eye.
First? Yep.
I told you that.
Sit down.
You trying to set me up, bro?
Sit up, bro.
You're drugging me. Yeah, bro. I'm in your family, dog.
This guy. There's some very clear mental health issues going on.
Don't do this, bro.
Possibly drugs.
I'm your family, dog.
I really
Be
don't.
rich.
I cannot explain the up and down otherwise. That is some of the most extreme ups and downs I have ever seen.
I want to help that too. Bro. I'm telling
Great bracelet.
you, we're gonna be best friends and we're gonna be rich forever. Yep. Look it up. Look it up. No, bro. Don't go out like this. You told me that. No, we can't. Bro. No. I'm rich. I want a demon too.
Close that one.
I want a demon too.
Usually when demons and things like that are referenced regularly, there's severe mental health issues going on.
No. I'm tired. Yo. Come on, just sit in.
You're making this worse. Just sit
No,
in.
I'm not.
Am I going on the other side?
Do what you gotta do, bro.
They have been so patient with him. He's going dead weight, which is a common tactic used by suspects.
Where is it? Hold on, here. Pull him back. Go. You hear me? Close.
I'm a little concerned about that friend that left. I mean, maybe he just left because he realized the situation was not something he wanted to be a part of.
Anyway. Your process.
But we obviously know someone dies in this video.
It's over. That's it. All right? You want to get sprayed?
No, I do not.
Get in the car then. Let's go. Get in the car. Let's go. All right. One more phone. Grab one. Get in the car now. What 9088. A black male. And vehicle 49 Alpha. Not seatbelted in.
Pull him out that way?
This way. His head's right here.
He's just dragging
away
him
from his feet. We're just riding him out. Because he might use his legs, so if his head is already over here, let's just
Yeah,
put him out
sure,
that way.
whatever you guys say.
All right, ready?
All right, get him on.
Come on.
He's going dead weight again. I once had to carry up a probably 350-pound male up a tiny concrete spiral staircase once. It was one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life.
Physical therapy service, we're good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Come on, that's it. Want that first feedback? Sit up. Down. Come on. Sit him up. Yep, got to sit up.
I wonder if
Daniel reached the station alive, but passed away in the hospital the following day. A high dose of phencyclidine was found in his system, the drug known on the street as PCP, or angel dust. It can cause seizures, coma, and even death, often as a consequence of accidental injury or suicide while under the drug's effects. The effects may resemble the symptoms associated with schizophrenia, including delusions and paranoia. Daniel's fate serves as a grim reminder of these dangers.
Sometimes it can end.
What? Okay.
This is here because I just knocked on the door.
Well, that explains a lot. Real quick, they teach you when doing standardized field sobriety tests, if someone gets out and the very first test you do is the horizontal gaze nystagmus test with the pen, HGN. If the suspect doesn't track with their eyes or their pupils are like vibrating, have a vibrating look to them, that is a massive and the #1 indicator that they are on PCP, and they tell you to not even continue with the standardized field sobriety tests and to call back up, because individuals on PCP are highly unpredictable and extremely dangerous because their pain tolerance is it's so high, it's through the roof. They don't feel anything. They're like elite warriors and robots from the future. This is super sad. I mean, it explains a lot. The cops did a phenomenal job. That cop who's the main body camera we were watching, if there was someone I could compare myself to in terms of how I dealt with the public and how patient I was, it's that one. I always tried to de-escalate things with my words, and that was that. And it could have gotten me seriously hurt a few times, and it did a few times just like this. I've encountered 3 individuals on PCP, and it literally took an army to affect the arrest on that person because, like I said, their pain tolerance is so through the roof, it is crazy. I give the cop an A+. I think he did phenomenally. He was never rude. He was never rude to him. But PCP literally makes you lose your mind, so that explains a whole lot. It's very sad that he passed away. I wonder why he thought he needed to take PCP. We'll never know. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you tomorrow. It's middle of the week. Happy hump day. All right, bye.